On this episode of Road Dirt, we ride Honda's little hooligan, the CB650R. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Rob with Road Dirt, and this is the 2023 Honda CB650R. I've been looking forward to getting a hold of this for quite a while. Actually, first time I saw the updated version of this, I want to say it was 2 years ago at Cycle World of Athens. And the engine covers, the copper color of the engine covers and the rims, and those pipes, those 4-into-1 swept pipes, just knocked me out. I was looking forward at some point to get our hands on one of these. So here we are. We've got this for a little over a month. And man, I've already been just having a great time blasting around on it. I'm all of 5'8", weigh about 150 pounds. And this thing fits me to a T. Absolutely love this motorcycle already. Perfect naked sport bike in the middleweight class. It's a 649 cc inline 4, that traditional long-standing CB 4-cylinder, goes all the way back to their game changer in the late 1960s, the CB750, the one that pretty much turned the motorcycling world upside down. And this is the latest iteration of it in the CB650. Puts down, I want to say, 64 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheel. It's got 94 or 94.5 horsepower. So man, it's a great little power plant that'll do man, it'll do the hooligan thing with you, that's for sure. We've actually been out riding it quite a bit all over North Georgia, here in this part of Central Georgia that we live in, outside of Monroe, Georgia. It's beautiful here right now, and you know, just to put it through the paces. It doesn't have a 5-speed, it's a 6-speed gearbox. It's got a switchable traction control, a non-switchable ABS, which is fine. And trying to think what else. There's no cruise control, no varying ride modes, things like that. You know, but like the other bikes, like the CB500X we recently rode, you really need all that to have a lot of fun. If you remember back 2 years ago, we had the CB1000R with multiple ride modes, multiple traction control and ABS settings. You know, just a phenomenal motorcycle. But I think the older I get, the more refreshing it is to hop on a bike that's simple and basic and elemental and just go haul butt on it. And so that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned as we go for a ride.
All right, let's fire it up and go for a ride. Well, it would help if I had the kickstand up. There we go. All right, there's a bunch of great roads I love to ride around here that are curvy, and they dive up and down hills and stuff like that out here in the country. So actually, I'm going to go back the way I came, because this is one of the many that I love. So, all right, let's go have some fun. Well, the Honda 650R doesn't have a quick shifter. It does actually, you know, upshift. It's got a slipper clutch, so you can upshift without the clutch. Real easy. Going down's kind of clunky, but upshifting without the clutch is just butter smooth. I really like it. So, love diving into these corners. The bike takes it well. This one always has a little gravel in it, so I always slow down right about, yeah. Okay. And we're off! Gorgeous day to ride. I love how it sounds as you get up in the rev range of each gear too. We'll have to put that to the test in a little bit as well. Light, quick, flickable. Jeez, this little bike is fun. Delivers power just like real linear too. Super smooth. I mean, if you're a beginner, this bike is lightweight, easy to learn on. The clutch is just beautiful on it. If you're a veteran, shoot, you'll have some serious fun on this thing. Oh man, might have to go back through that a few times. That's fun. Good ride. Okay, now I'm told the CB650R really comes alive in the higher rev ranges, so let's go at it. I'm in the 8, 9, and 10,000. Oh yeah, baby. This thing, it's like it finds another gear in the gear. Over 8,000. Whoa, it positively howls. I love it. Let's get on up here into that last one. There we go. All right, back in residential area. Take it easy. It is a thrill ride up in those upper rev ranges. Man, it's a little rev monster. It eats the revs when you get up above 8,000. That is cool.
So there you have it, the 2023 Honda CB650R. You can get it in any color you want this year, as long as it's smoke gray. But man, we have had a wonderful time with this motorcycle. Going to continue to ride it because we've got it for a couple of more weeks. And if you'd like to find out more about it, you can look up the specs and details, other things that might interest you as far as details about the motorcycle on the Honda Power Sports website under the motorcycle category, obviously. And you can go check this out and all their models that they're carrying in the 2023 year. And so go check that out. Also, while you're out there, check out our main motorcycle magazine site. There's going to be a full story with a bunch of photos and a lot more details and some personal riding experiences, stories from the road with it, out on ROADDIRT.tv. That's our main motorcycle media website, or e-magazine as we call it. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We're at ROADDIRT TV, just ROADDIRT TV without the dot, ROADDIRT TV. And we're out there posting photos and things like that, us and all the contributors to Road Dirt. We also have a weekly podcast. You can check us out on Road Dirt, is what it's called, out on Spotify, Anchor, Apple, all the major playlists out there, as well as we've got a Spotify music channel that you can also, it's about 25 hours worth of music while you're out on the open road and throttling around. And you can check that out on Spotify. It is called Road Dirt Classics. And while you're out cruising on a Sunday night like it is right here for us. In fact, I'm about to go cruising in that direction in just a moment myself. Hey, until next time, this is Rob with Road Dirt. Ride life.